I just got another $150,000. What did you do today? I'm going to teach you how. That's coming up next. All right, guys, welcome back to the VIP Financial Ed channel. Have you ever had one of those mornings where you were so excited to get started that you didn't really care about getting ready? You'll have to excuse the scruff. I'm so excited about what's going on right now. I have so many moving pieces. Got all kinds of people that are helping me out, making the right decisions, and the growth is just like this right now. It is so fun. So let's talk real quickly about this $150,000. I shared a video last week where I got $50,000. I'm gonna put that to work. It's from JP Morgan Chase Bank. It's an unsecured business line of credit. Now, we talk all about that. Watch all the videos, especially the one from last week, and just start figuring out how this can serve you, okay? But this $50,000 is gonna get put to work. I'm actually coming right back after running a few errands and writing a check. If you go to the video where I got $18,000 in 18 minutes, and then the video the next day where I pulled another $32,000 off of debt weapons, I had $50,000 in cash in my hand. You know, it shows you how liquid these accounts are. So this new $50,000 means that I could easily just go right now, and within an hour, I'd have $100,000 sitting in my hand. That is tremendous power. I'm gonna put that money to work. I'm earning 15% on that money like this with an opportunity that I have. And the total cost on it is a 7% rate. I'm immediately earning an 8% margin on that money. I can get it back and pay that account off right away. So that is our objective. Now, the $150,000 is just as liquid, but this account is a home equity line of credit on an investment property. There are tremendous advantages to having had my money working for me, paying off other houses so that I can draw that money back and have it readily available. That specific debt weapon is only going to end up costing a $299 closing fee and a $150 per year annual cost. I don't care. I'm going to take that money, $150,000, and we're going to go out there and make a fortune off of that. The real question becomes, what are we going to do next? Because the timing for these debt weapon acquisitions is very important. Now, I didn't plan on applying for that home equity line of credit as quickly as I did. I was actually waiting until next month to do it, but I don't know whether it was the 77,777 subscribers I woke up to yesterday, or 2 days ago rather, or whether it was the lucky crystal that happened to be laying outside my door that very same morning that inspired me to get on the computer and submit the application. I obviously consulted with my mentors and coaches because I always do that before important decisions. We agreed, hey, maybe this is a sign, but we felt ready. And we moved forward with the application. And as you can see, $150,000 approved as of right now. And I actually got a phone call from the bank alerting me that there were only a small handful of conditions. I needed to provide the tax returns. I needed to provide a payoff statement. I needed to provide last year's taxes. I needed to provide a deck page for my insurance in order to show that I have the homeowner's insurance necessary on the property. And voila, $150,000 available for use. I can use that for absolutely any reason. And in the real estate investing world, that money is even considered an eligible form of down payment, which is truly powerful. So literally within the last couple of weeks, we've secured $200,000 worth of completely liquid money that at this particular point is totally unused. So we're not paying any interest on it. Now, if we can take 40,000 of that 50 and put it to work right away and net an 8% increase, guys, this is how wealth is created. We will then pay that account off in rapid time, okay? This is how the process works. We maximize credit to get access to the right types of capital at the right time so that we can put that money to work to grow our various income streams while simultaneously treating the balances that we're borrowing as evil and eliminating that debt as absolutely quickly as possible. A lot of moving pieces are happening. That's why someone, even like me, who has been obsessively studying this information. I mean, look, guys, I'm constantly studying. If you're not studying at least 5 hours a day, you're not studying as much as me. Some of the smartest people in the world take a long time to absorb new information. I can't classify myself as one of the smartest people in the world, that's for sure. That's why I'm always learning, okay? I understand that. I recognize that I have many faults. I'm human. And so I put people in place strategically to help me avoid mistakes and to recognize opportunities. And that's the whole point of coaching. So if you haven't yet been coached, make sure you check the description below for a link to schedule your free coaching session, and you can pick your preferred path from there. If you're sick and tired of being sick and tired about your money and you have at least $500 per month in average leftover cash flow, then why wouldn't you just add a coach to your team, somebody that can exponentially earn you results? If I earned you even $10,000, $15,000, $20,000 every single year from this point forward in net results, you would be earning returns on your investment that anyone would consider a no-brainer. Anyone. So here's where I'm most excited about today's video. It's not to just simply alert you to our updates, even though I love doing that because I want to keep you guys informed, because you take things away from this. You understand more closely what the process involves. I also wanted to share with you our contest, okay? This is something I cannot wait to announce. Details for that will also be in the description below. We're gonna start giving away one $25 Amazon gift card every single week for at least the next 6 months. Every single one of you has a chance to win that. You have to be subscribed, and you've got to put a comment below. What have you learned from our channel so far? If the answer to that question is nothing, then you haven't watched enough videos. Everything we talk about applies to anyone who cares about money. But what we do in our coaching relationship is not for everybody. It's for a very small percentage of people. So you should be learning something. Check out the videos, put a comment in below so that we can see what it is you're taking away. For every comment you put, you're gonna be entered into the drawing again. Comment on every video. You can copy and paste the comment into other social media platforms like one of our Instagram accounts. You can also go ahead and visit our Facebook page and comment there. So go ahead and just take the time, share with us what it is you're learning, and we'll reward you for it in the form of eligibility to win a $25 gift card every single week. From there, we will also be selecting a winner once per month for the next 5 months to have a 2-hour one-on-one phone coaching session. It's actually going to be over Skype, so we can video conference and talk about your money. We're going to get your money in order and set you on the right path. That will be a completely non-solicitous conversation. It is purely a prize. I cannot wait to have those conversations with you. The grand prize, which I'm most excited about, is that we will be selecting one of those 5 winners for those Skype 2-hour calls and fly you to Denver. We're actually going to allow you to bring one of your closest companions, whether it's your spouse or a friend. You can fly out here together. We'll pay for the round trip, and we'll pay for 2 nights in downtown Denver. We're actually going to spend an afternoon together. Maybe we'll take the Jeep out. Guys, obviously, I'm lucky enough to sit here in my dream vehicle since I was a child. It's my 3rd one and by far the coolest yet. And got this just about a month ago, and it's a total liability. And guess what? I can afford it. I can afford it. That's the secret behind managing your money the right way, is that you can actually live the lifestyle of your dreams. So part of that is going to be flying to Denver to sit with me. We're going to hang out. Maybe we'll take it up to the mountains. It'll be autumn, so we're looking at this in October. We'll be selecting the first winner. First winner of the Amazon gift cards will be next week. So make sure you're a subscriber. Smash that thumbs up button. Start commenting on the videos, and hopefully we'll see you out here in Denver in 6 months' time to hang out for an afternoon and really get a jump start on your financial future. Guys, I want to thank you so much for 77,777 subscribers. We're going to be at 100,000 before we know it. And I am just so grateful to play a role in your life and in your success, even a small role. So thank you for the honor of your viewership, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video, my friend. Until then, make it a great day today, and take care.